Hello and welcome to Netcyber.com, and thank you for joining us on this discussion on how to replace your absolute PBX for free. The day of businesses being required to pay a large capital expense for PBXs are now in the past. Until recently, the most common option for businesses to manage their commercial phone service was to buy or lease a very expensive PBX. Companies that had multiple locations often needed to buy a PBX for each location. Traditionally, PBXs were required to provide routine features like call routing, voicemail, call forwarding, call transfer, three-way calling, call waiting, hunting, caller ID, and many others too numerous to the list. Not only PBXs are expensive, but they can also be complicated to operate. If a company needed to change their call structure, they would need to call in an expert to reconfigure their PBX, or maintain expensive staff for this purpose. Thanks to technological advances in cloud computing, PBXs are no longer required to facilitate commercial telecom voice features. Now, usually for less cost than you are paying for internet connection, and defiantly for less than you were paying for your existing business telephone services, you can switch with no installation charge for commercial phone services that provides for free all of the features that formerly required a PBX. Some examples of the features included for free with cloud-hosted PBXs are auto attend, voicemail, find me, follow me, hunting, call forward, advanced call forward, call transfer, account codes, three-way calling, call waiting, do not disturb, inbound and outbound caller ID, anonymous call reject, last number redial, and caller ID block. Hosted PBX can usually replace analog, SIP, and PRI business telephone services at no additional cost, and usually results in significant savings. Hosted PBX also includes free phones, free unlimited local, unlimited toll-free, and unlimited domestic long distance. To summarize, now businesses no longer need PBXs to administer commercial voice services for their company. Now, all features of commercial voice services are managed free, online, by telecom providers. Customers can manage these features with a simple web-based online portal. Hosted PBXs also includes free unlimited local, long distance, and toll-free services. Another extremely important development with recent advances with Ethernet bandwidth technology is that many companies can now reduce the cost of their telephone services by more than 50%. So don't get left behind and join in with the technological discoveries of cloud computing at Netcyber.